Hello, my name is Trividiani Gumana with NIM 069 and I'm from Agribusiness Program Study. Today, I will present to you about general sociology in NIAS. First point I will present to you is a social group and social dynamic. Nias is an archipelago located in North Sumatra. Nias has a rich culture, strong traditional custom, and unique social system. Social group in Nias has 2 points. For the first point is clan or lineage. Clan or lineage is the people of Nias follow a patrilineal system where lineage is straight through the father's line. And point point two is religious group. The majority of the Nias population addressed to Christianity and Catholic, and church serve not only place of worship but also as centers for social activities. Social dynamic. Nias has 3 points. The first point is shift in traditional roles, then interaction between groups, and challenge of modernization. Okay, now I will present to you about social mobility in NIAS. Social mobility in NIAS has 2 points. For the first point is vertical mobility and horizontal mobility. Horizontal mobility often occurs in the form of job of residence change, and the vertical mobility in NIAS, vertical mobility is more limited, primarily due to the strong influence of the traditional custom in determining social status. If NIAS has the social mobility is vertical and horizontal, NIAS has the related social phenomena in social mobility. Related social phenomena has a 3 point. The first point is educational and advancement. The two is economic inequality and social stratification, and the last is cultural preservation versus modernization. About sociological Nias has a relevant sociological theories. The first theory is social mobility theory by Pierre Bourdieu. Bourdieu proposed that social mobility is influenced by factors such as social capital or relationship and social network, the end cultural capital, education and skill, and economic capital. And social stratification theory by Max Weber. Weber stated that social stratification is formed based on three dimensions: wealth, power, and prestige. The data and effect about NIAS. The first is population in NIAS. Population in NIAS, according data from Badan Pusat Statistik Indonesia in 2020 was approximately is 850,000 people. The second is education level. Education level in NIAS has a 16% of the population age 15 and above did not complete primary. The third is economy. Economy in NIAS, the majority of NIAS residents work the agricultural sector, focusing of substance farming and local market trade. The term has 2 points. in NIAS. The first is geographic condition and their influence on life. Geographic and condition their influence on life has a third point. The first is traditional farming. The people local of NIAS, the word is the traditional farming and coastal fisheries and forest utilization. Now I will present to you about tradition and agricultural system as environmental adaptation in NIAS. NIAS has a traditional unique about culture. The first is omosebua or traditional house. Traditional house in NIAS, the name is omosebua. Omosebua that iconic in NIAS and village layout. And the third is Fahombo. Fahombo or stand jumping is traditional adat in NIAS. And the last is traditional ceremonies. The traditional ceremonies turn in adaptation of the NIAS community. Adaptation of NIAS community has a three point. The first is economy adaptation, 2 is social and cultural, and 3 is adaptation to change times. Nah, challenge in adaptation, the first is modernization and tradition. The second is depends on traditional economy, and the last is excessive urbanization. The fourth point is gender issue and development in NIAS. Traditional genders roles in NIAS has two. The first is man roles. Men roles in traditional NIAS society, men are often viewed as the head of the family, responsibility for meeting the family's economic needs and protecting them. They also dominate decision making in both the household and the community. Now the woman role. The woman role in NIAS traditionally responsibility for domestic work such as managing the household and caring for our children. They also often assist in agricultural activities, although they are rarely involved in formal decision-making process. The second is economic empowerment of women. Women in NIAS have begun to engage in economic activities such as small-scale trading and home industries. Now, the third is maternal and child health. Women's health in NIAS faces challenges, including the lack of adequate healthcare facility, especially in remote areas. Now, the fourth is women participation in politics and decision making. Women representation in politics and governance in NIAS is still low. Social change and development in NIAS. Now, social change has a factor influencing social change in NIAS. The first is education, 2 is modernization, and the third is globalization. So, development and impact of the NIAS community has a two impact, is positive impact and negative impact. Positive impact have infrastructure improvement. Second is improve access to education, and the third is economic growth. Nah, negative impact, this social inequality. The second is environmental degradation, and the third is cultural change. Closing, to address the challenge of development and social change in NIAS, Several recommendations can be implemented to improve the community well-being. First, improving access to education is essential. This can be achieved by enhancing the construction of schools, especially in remote areas, to ensure that children through NIAS can easily access primary and secondary education. Nah, nationally offering more scholarship program for underprivileged children and providing technical training for the youth will help them compete in the global job market. The curriculum should also be adapted to meet both local and global job market demands while integrating local cultural values to preserve NIA's identity. Okay, so this is I can be present to you. I'm sorry if I have many lot of a mistake in those videos, and see you. Thank you.